Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix network problem in your Galaxy M05 if your network is not coming, or how you can solve it. So first you have to open your settings, click on search bar and click on reset network. Here it is. Click on this reset and scroll down. Here you will see reset all settings, reset mobile network settings. You have to click on it and just reset it. It will fix your network issues if it is coming. Then you have to press back and go to apps. Click on Android system web view. Clear the cache of it from the storage and press back. Then go to search. Here you have to write play services. Just you can force stop also and clear the cache and clear the data also, and it will fix this issue. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.